Hello and welcome everybody, my name is the IT Guy, and in this video I'll have a look at how to customize your own rEFInd boot manager. So the rEFInd boot manager, I already covered how to install it, so today, because of a request of somebody in the comments, I thought I'll make this video on how to theme your own rEFInd boot manager. So basically what you need to do first of all is you'll need to go over to this website over here, rodsbooks.com/refind/themes. I'll link that in the video description as well. And then you'll have to scroll down to the bottom, because the way I'm going to explain it, I'm going to explain it in the easiest way I can think of. You just first of all, you have to scroll down to the bottom here, and you'll have to go over to known themes, and there is one theme that this guy Rod Smith made himself, which is the snowy theme. You can download that one as well, but I'm going to look at another theme that I already downloaded, which is this rEFInd Metro theme. And this is just for demonstration purposes, of course. It doesn't really matter which one you pick. In my example, I picked the rEFInd Metro theme because I kind of liked it. So first of all, you need to go over to this website, and most likely, I think in this case as well, yeah, so the minimal theme and the rEFInd theme, they're both on GitHub websites. So you'll have to click the link, and then you'll have to download right over here, and then download the zip file. Hit OK. We don't have to sign in or anything. Let's scroll down to the bottom and see what this guy is telling us on how to actually activate this, or how to install this. So he says that we have to find the rEFInd directory, which is in the boot EFI rEFInd. We'll get to that in a minute. We'll have to create a folder called themes. Okay. We have to clone this repository. So basically saying that we'll have to extract the zip file into the themes folder. And then to enable the theme, you'll have to add this entry to the refind.conf file. So that's basically it. You don't have to do anything else. So, but there are a few things you'll need to keep in mind to actually get this to work, because the way he describes it in here is not really how it's going to work, because of the way the file is named, the zip file is named. So we'll have to open up the zip file over here, and we're going to extract that into we can extract that into this folder over here. So we're going to extract this into downloads. So let's go ahead and extract that. We're going to show the files, but first of all, let us rename this folder, because it's named rEFInd-metro-master right now, and we'll need to make sure that it's named correctly. So let's rename this to just rEFInd-metro. And now let's copy that, and let's go into our root folder. So you need to go into the root directory. I can do this with my file explorer over here. Maybe you can do this from within the terminal, but anyway, you should be able to do this from within the file manager. So basically you'll just have to enter the password a couple of times. So we're gonna go into boot, we're gonna go into EFI, and we're gonna enter the password over here, and then we're going to go into EFI, we're gonna go into rEFInd, and then we are presented with this with these files and folders over here. And the first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to make this themes folder. So I already created the themes folder, so you'll just basically have to do the right click and then create new folder, and then you'll name that folder themes. We're going to go into themes, and let me quickly delete this one because that's not necessary. We're gonna go and copy the rEFInd-metro folder we just created in the downloads folder, and we're gonna paste that in here. I already did that. So why did we rename this? So we're gonna see that in a minute. Basically, you go into this folder and you're going to theme.conf. I'm gonna enter the password again, and if you scroll down to, let's say, the icons. So let's say the icons are the banner. We can find the themes folder which is correct. We created the themes folder, but then it directs us towards rEFInd-metro, and it does not say rEFInd-metro-master. So you'll need to keep in mind that whenever you create this folder over here, you'll need to keep in mind which what the folder is actually named. So you'll need to change that. So that's all you need to do right now. So actually this is everything you need to do within the themes folder, but now we're going to have to go back into the rEFInd folder, and we're going to open up the refind.conf file over here. And we're going to enter our password again here, and then we're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and what we're going to do is we're going to type in include space, and then we're going to include a theme, and the way you include the theme is you just type in themes, which is the folder we created first, and then we're gonna go /rEFInd-metro, which is the folder we copied into the themes folder, and then /theme.conf, which is the configuration file for the rEFInd metro metro theme. So yeah, that is all you need to do, and whenever you reboot, the configuration should have applied, and the theme should have been applied as well. So there we go, guys. This is the end result. As you see, the theme has been applied. I hope you liked this video, guys, and if you did, please leave a like and a comment below, and if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.